Hello friends, welcome back to my review channel. Arakan's biggest test in Savadigam Sansan is not whether he loves Dikal. The real test is whether he has the courage to protect that love in front of everyone. Loving someone in silence is easy compared to defending them in a house full of judgment. Arakan has already shows care for Dikal, but now the situation demands more. His family, his reputation, his company, and the past secrets around him are all pulling him in different directions. Dikal believes she is the reason Arakan is suffering. Insi wants Dikal out. Fikrat's secret creates another emotional earthquake. Farman is using information like a weapon. And in the middle of all this, Arakan must decide what kind of man he wants to be. Will he become the son everyone wants to control? Or will he become the husband who stands beside the woman he chose? This is why the latest episode can become a turning point of Arakan's character. His confession was a beginning, not the end. Now he has to prove that it was not just an emotional reaction. He has to show Dickel that even after the storm, his decision is the same. Dickel needs more than love. She needs safety. She needs truth. She needs someone to look at her in front of the world. We are discussing about Dickel. But if he hesitates even for a moment, insists, and the others will use that weakness to separate them. This is the moment where Arakan cannot be silent anymore. Because love that cannot stand in the public may not survive in private. Dickel needs more than love. She needs safety, she needs trust, she needs someone to look at her in front of the world and says, "You are not a mistake in my life." Viewers, like my video and subscribe my channel for more updates.